Hi guys, this is Advocate Siddharth Jain with Lexis and Company. Today we will discuss about jurisprudence. So jurisprudence is derived from the Latin word jurisprudentia, which is the combination of two terms. That is, juris means legal and prudentia means knowledge. So juris plus prudentia is equal to legal knowledge or knowledge of law. In short, we also called it philosophy of law and not the law. It is clear that jurisprudence is not laws like IPC, CPC, CRPC, contract, etc., but it is the studies of laws or philosophical aspects of law. It is neither made by parliament, nor the precedent, nor the custom, nor user, but it is the study of all philosophical aspects of law. In short, jurisprudence can be termed as certain types of investigation into laws and principles underlying the laws. It is pertinent that there is a confusion with the law and the law. Jurisprudence is the knowledge of law and not the law. The distinction between the two is the law is the philosophical of it, while the law is the typical subjects like contracts, torts, etc. Example, section 25 of IC 1872 on the point of law conclude the past consideration is a valid consideration in Indian law under ICA 1872, but it is not so under English law. By referring to the above analysis, we can find out that jurisprudence is different from the other subjects of the law courses like Indian Contract Act 1872, TPA 1882, IPC 1860, CRPC 1973, etc. Another aspect is we can conclude that with statement of Julius Stone and that jurisprudence is lawyers' extravention, lawyers' examination of the prospects, ideas, and techniques of law in the light of prudentia of its philosophy. Thank you.